Okay, guys, welcome to the browser room from TryHackMe. So, what we are going to do is to solve this challenge, and this is a warm up room for the upcoming 14 days challenge. And I'm not going to talk more about it. This is something that you should research, but let's get into this task one. This is about the recon, which is about reconnaissance, which is about information gathering, and the whole task is about OSINT, like information gathering, the open source intelligence. And as you can see, a small story here, you haven't arrived at. You're just doing your homework. Surely that's allowed. Like that, we have something to read. This is something that I'm just giving it to you to read it by yourself. But the most important concepts here is what I'm going to read right now. Like we have to meet the Vera, which is your personal concierge. So available 24/7. She knows what you need before you do. What we want is under the user Vera, right? So the Byte Lotus is the hotel and where every detail is taken care. And before you go on to any hotel, you most probably look at the reviews, right? So like that, there will be a little of story. This is something, yeah, you should go through. And I'm just this marking this as complete and moving to the task two, which is about the open source intelligence, the browser, hacker holidays, the byte loudest hotel, and we can see the 30 points, OSINT, easy. And before you ever set foot on the property, you decide to do a little homework on the byte lotus hotel. The browser here photo carries an unmistakably AI fingerprint, and the account behind it leads somewhere the hotel never intended you to look. Follow the trail, uncover the hidden connection, and find what was left behind. So we have the room access, which is to download a task file. I just downloaded that. So here it is. I'm just extracting it here. And here we have the browser.png. So as you can see from the today's itinerary, so something like that is saying that you have to analyze the provided image for the embedded clues, and the image is what we get, right? So and after that you have to apply the fundamental OSINT techniques to trace the findings, and we have to locate the hidden social media account and submit the flag. So this is our aim. First, let's analyze the provided image for any kind of clues. So let's move on with the browser. First, let's open this up. And this is an image. This is a normal image. Looks like created using AI. So you have some information about the date of the upcoming event, and some things are in posted. Some clues are. So find us on Instagram. Maybe we have to look on Instagram or not. And you can see concierge like Vera can assist you with further information. So we have another information called Vera and luxury signal secrets, and some states leave a signal. So like that we have some a little bit of information here. So first let me open up my terminal and perform an exif tool research. Okay, so exif tool, the browser. And from here in the EXIF tool, these are the informations that we get. Unfortunately, I could not find any information that makes me suspicious about this particular image. So other than that, this is a PNG image, and by looking into these hints, we have to look for something on Instagram, and maybe Vera can assist you. We have to look about that too. So we have to look about something on Instagram. Before that, we can just search this online, the Byte Lotus resource. So let's open the Google image, like the google.com, and in the Google Lens, let us put this and search where are these existed. So here, when I search this, you can see from here it is in the Reddit. It is in the Instagram with another image, and yeah, some other informations like in TryHackMe is posted this on LinkedIn. So this is about the event information, and yeah, this is the official page of TryHackMe. Other than that, this is it. So maybe this image is saying us to find us on Instagram. So let me ask for check this on Instagram. So what the Google AI is going to do right now, it is going to check this in Instagram. And this is about TryHackMe's official event is what they're talking about. And other than that, from the Instagram, from here, we could not find a similar image. I don't know why. So yeah, maybe we have to do some other concepts or other things. Like what we can do right now is to open up the Instagram. So yeah, we have the hints. It's about the Byte Lotus resource, right? So let's search for the hints about the Byte Lotus resource. So from here, I just searched for the Byte Lotus results. Let's do some Google Docking like site colon Instagram.com. And here you can see from here we have the real TryHackMe and the Lotus, something like that, and the Lotus resort. And yeah, we have a plenty of other information. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do is to search this hotel on or any other information on our Instagram. So this is about the Byte Lotus resort, and we have to find it on Instagram. Veera can assist you. Let's open up our Instagram. Here is my Instagram. You have to log in. So yeah. So and let's search for the Byte Lotus, something like that. And we can see it's about Byte Lotus Investigator, and there will be 2 followers and nothing to do with it. And let's search for the Byte Lotus. The Investigator 123. Let me open this in new tab, and again 2 followers. So yeah. So this is a Byte Lotus, maybe the Byte Lotus. Oh guys, we get it, the Byte Lotus Resort. That's fantastic. So from here we have the similar image that we have seen there, and Veera can assist you, right? So from here we can see some of the comments. And other than that, we also have another image which also have this resort like image. So from this image and from the comments, I could not find anything suspicious. And let's check up the, we have 28 followers and this account is only following one. So from here you can see that Veera is here. Yeah, Veera is the one that we actually want. That's pretty cool. And from here you can see currently working for Byte Lotus Hotel, and we have the information from here in the image. We have some of the encoded contents which will be already in the comment, which is the part 1, and we have the part 2, and we have the part 3. And now you know what to do, right? I just don't want to show the flag or things like that. Now it's your time to show off your skills, and there will be equal to at the end. I'm just going to give you the clue. Use the cyber chef and do your work by yourself. That's pretty much about it, guys. I hope this video is informative for you. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.